We have team coverage on last night's severe weather. A tornado touched down in Crockett, where Fox 51's Sarah Alegre was the first reporter on the scene and is still on the ground. Sarah, what damage are you seeing so far?
Yeah, we're seeing plenty of damage. The moment I first got here, we saw a Valero gas station just completely torn to shreds, and I'm going to show you it right now. If we could pan and just give the viewers a little taste of what we're experiencing out here. If you pan that way, Joshua, for me, you see a roof is gone. You see debris just scattered about, trees everywhere, and continue to follow me along this way. Just look at this business. You see a lot of these small business owners just completely experiencing a lot of this loss. We see just bricks everywhere. Look at this, just a hole in between these buildings. It is so tragic to see all these spring decorations full of liveliness, and just to see all of this damage around here is absolutely devastating. Yeah, we are in severe weather season, and the people of Crockett are experiencing this to its core. We just did a ride along with police officials, and they kind of took us down a neighborhood that is completely torn to shreds. We saw trees just torn down everywhere, and as we continue to walk along these this strip of businesses, we see shards of glass. We see a door just thrown out, excuse me. In the middle of this store, it says Rustic Market is just completely in rubble right now, in ruins. So it really is devastating to see this. We actually have to move out of this area fairly soon because there are so many down power lines that officials want to make sure this area is safe. They're going to get started working on that. But just to give you a taste of this damage, yes, these businesses are just completely gone, and the money that this is going to cost, the extent of damage, the cleanup and the pickup from here on out is just horrible to see. But we talked to officials, and they said it could have been so much worse. They really are in good spirits, and they're doing whatever they can to provide people the resources necessary. We're going to continue to assess this damage as that daylight comes, and it is slowly but surely getting brighter. And with that, it is so unfortunate, but it is revealing an entirely completely different story, and really bringing to light what we saw last night, the severity of that tornado, of the severe weather that we experienced, and then seeing today the damage, the remnant that is left behind. I'm going to send it back over to you.
Sarah, thank you for showing us that. Now, have you spoken to anyone who has been affected by these storms?
I think you may have asked me a question. It's kind of hard to hear you. Maybe if I spoke to people. I did actually. I spoke to one of the owners of the gas station. She talked about first getting the alert that maybe someone was burglarizing her convenience store, and then come to find she comes here to see just the extent of damage. And I asked her what went through her mind to kind of experience that, to see her store completely in ruins, and she just said shock. She was still experiencing shock. This is all so raw. This is all so new for the people here. Some people haven't even come by to see their businesses in ruins, so it is really hard for them to see, and just slowly but surely processing it. They're trying to remain in good spirits and just get in that mode of what can I do next to make the situation better, what steps do I need to take next, and they're fortunately thinking that way. But I talked to her. It was really hard for her to process all that she was seeing, and just wanted to lend her support and help out in any way that we can, because we know the East Texas community here is so strong, especially in situations like this one.
Sarah, thank you very much.